advisory in effect until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Replaces flood warning. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? Portions of north central and northwest Ohio, including the following counties. In north central Ohio, Erie, Huron, and Lorain. In northwest Ohio, Ottawa, Sandusky, and Seneca. When? Until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Impacts. Minor flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas. Water over roadways. Additional details. At 7:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, local law enforcement reported heavy rain in the advisory area. Minor flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Lorain, Elyria, Sandusky, Norwalk, Fremont, Fostoria, Western Vermilion, Port Clinton, Westlake, North Ridgeville, Avon Lake, Amherst, Bellevue, Grafton, Clyde, Wellington, Green Springs, Northern Milan, and Milan. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood for flood safety and preparedness information. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.